sweetie. Can you walk over here? Come here. Come here. Come here. Can you come here? It's too hard, isn't it, buddy? Good job, buddy. Good job. Come on. Come on. Aw,
You gotta go. You gotta go. Well.
push his legs up under him. There you go.
You go walk, buddy.
He looks excited, Dad. This is his excited look.
Yeah. I don't know. We usually do this downstairs, so who knows what he's going to do.
Oh, it's okay. There's no pressure. If he doesn't do it, it's okay.
It's not like he's gonna jolt away, right?
A lot of times he likes to see he'll take off. Hey, watch him go. Watch him go.
He's
Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Come on.
I feel like he's doing all the work here. How much work was it?
Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Come on.
Little T. Hey. Little T. Throw it back. Throw it back. Attaboy. Good job. Oh no! Oh, he's got me.
Hey, buddy.
When he's got a grip, it's a death grip. Oh my! Really?